In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit trail in Dropbox Sign. We'll walk through the exact settings to enable, how to download the files you need, and what information the audit trail includes so you can verify activity with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. Click the official result to head to the site, then log into your account. Once you're in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page and hover over your initials. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can control how your completed documents are delivered. Inside Settings, click the Standard Features tab. Scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. Here, check the box labeled Do Not Merge Signed Documents. This setting is important because it tells Dropbox Sign to deliver your completed request as a zip file with the signed PDF and the audit trail saved as separate files. Click Save to lock in that preference. From now on, whenever a request is completed, you'll automatically get that zip package for easy record keeping and compliance. When you're ready to access an audit trail for a specific document, go to Documents in your account. Find the signed document you want to review, select it, and click Download. Your browser will download a zip file. Open it, and you'll see the signed PDF along with a separate PDF labeled as the audit trail. Depending on your interface, you might also see these files surfaced under a Files tab or a similar section for attachments. You'll also receive the audit trail in the final completion email that goes out to all parties involved, so you can retrieve it from your inbox if needed. Keep in mind that you should store these files securely since they contain details that may be considered sensitive. What does the audit trail show? It includes timestamps and IP addresses that record when the document was opened, viewed, and signed, which helps establish a clear sequence of events. It also lists signer details, such as which email address received the request and which address completed the signature. These entries are useful for proving delivery, access, and consent, and they can be essential for internal audits or regulatory requirements. That's it. With the Do Not Merge Signed Documents setting enabled and the download flow from documents, you'll always have a clean, separate audit trail alongside each signed file.